Morning, subbies. How are you? Listen, I've woken up in Miami, Florida, in the big old US of A. So I don't know what to do. I've not been to here before. Well, sorry, that's a lie. I have been here, but I've not been to this hotel or this area before. So I'm going to go over mosey round and see what's about. It's quite hot outside, so I don't know how long I'm going to stay out there. I think it's 38 degrees or something like that. And apparently it's pretty stormy as well. So, as I say, until I open them curtains, I'm not sure what it's going to be like. But lovely hotel room. I'm going to have a quick shower and get changed. Do something with my looks. Because I know I don't look great first thing in the morning. I don't look great for last thing at night, do I? But never mind. But this is a cool hotel. Check this out. I've got electric blinds. Yeah, electric blinds. That's a swanky hotel when you get electric blinds. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to get up, get changed, have a shower, and have a shower, then get changed, and go out and have a look around. Do you fancy coming with me? See what's out there? Excellent. Let's do it. I'm ready. Specs on, shorts on, white legs out. Let's get out there. Right guys, so I'm ready to go out, but first of all I thought I'd show you the hotel room where I am at. The view is pretty amazing. I don't know if you can see all that. Let me just show you the view. So, crikey. Now when we came to Miami on holiday, the hotels that we stayed at didn't look much, but were really expensive. So I have no idea how much this hotel must have cost. Look at that. I don't know if that's somebody's yacht or what. It looks pretty flash though. Right, so I'll show you the hotel room. Looks like I've been burgled again. And those who follow me on YouTube know I'm not a very tidy person in my hotel room. But anyway, so let's have a look. So this is where I work. The office space. Chaise long there. Chaise long. Big bed. Big bed. What's that? Would that be a Super King or something like that? It's massive anyway. Got my telly on with my fire on. You know I like my fire. Now the bathroom. Oh, look at this little coffee area. Is there a light switch here? Should be a light switch somewhere, but I don't know where it is. But yeah, coffee area with the nice Krups coffee machine and what is doing? Snacks. Oh, I've been a good boy though. I've not eaten them. There's a fridge down there as well. There's nothing in the fridge though. And then onto the bathroom. This is my wardrobe. Yeah, that's my wardrobe. Got a nice towel rack there. Down to the loo and bath. And then in here, got my shower unit. Check out that funky shower head. Yeah, so that is my hotel. That is my hotel room to a T. It's a decent size, I can't argue with that, but I'd rather be out there having a mosey round. So come on, let's do it. been meaning to have a go on one of these things for ages. See this scooter here? There's loads of them in the States, and I've downloaded the Bird app. So I'm going to give it a go, because I wouldn't mind one of these in the future. You know what I'm saying, Nicola? But yeah, I wouldn't mind one of these little cheeky things. And they're designed as the last mile of your journey to do. So if you're going on the bus, you can carry them on your bus. Not these ones, obviously. These ones are just for riding around, basically. But yeah, I quite like one of these at home. Probably never happen. So I'm going to give it a whirl. Wish me luck. Right, I'm back in the hotel now. Excuse me. That scooter ride was quite easy to do. Quite enjoyed that. Anyway, I'm back in the hotel now. The black clouds are starting to come in, so I'm going to go upstairs and just chill for a bit. So I thought I'd end the vlog here in this beautiful reception area. Can you see all this? In this hotel. It's beautiful. Yeah, would recommend it. If I could tell you where it was, but I can't. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog. If you have, give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If not, give it a thumbs down. I'll understand. But guys, I'll see you chaps in the next vlog.